Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again with a box of 2010 Panini Gridiron gear. It's box number 13, hanging out on blog, 101 viewers, Sunday night. Hoping for some big cards. This is the first box of the break. So a bunch of packs to go through. And actually, let me back this camera up a little. There we go. Good luck. Here we go. Pack 1. And we have a Calvin Johnson Jr. for the Lions at a 250. A rookie of Marlon Moore for the Dolphins, not numbered. Hopefully everyone had a good time at Nationals, those on YouTube watching this and on blog. And we got our first hit. It's going to be numbered out of 299. I wish it was an autograph, but jersey, numbered out of 299, rookie orientation of Sam Bradford. And there's the jersey right there. Sam Bradford for the Rams. And a rookie of Deji Kareem for the Jags. So, not too bad for a jersey card. Rookie jersey. Rookie. And base. All the rookies, I think they're like one per pack for the most part. They're not numbered. Marcus Colston out of 100 for the Saints. Riley Cooper, rookie for the Eagles. We got a rookie of Devin McCourtney for the Patriots. And base. So looking for 3 more hits in this box. Hoping for a nice patch or a nice autograph would be nice. I like those pull-out autographs. Vernon Davis, Game Breakers for the 49ers. It's not numbered. And a rookie of Michael Schuler for the Dolphins. Base, rookie of Thaddeus Lewis for the Rams at a 250. And Aaron Hernandez for the Patriots, not numbered. And this looks like it'll be our next hit. It's going to be numbered at a 25. It's going to be a 3-color patch, again for the Rams. 3-color, blue, gold, white. Steven Jackson. That's number 21 out of 25. There's the patches right there. Blue, gold, and white. So nice patches. There they are again. And there they are, 21 out of 25. So 2 Rams hits. Brian Price for the Buccaneers, rookie. So TKO Puck, 2 hits. First box. And this will be our next hit. It's going to be numbered at a 299. It's going to be a jersey, rookie orientation for the Bengals of Jordan Shipley. Jordan Shipley, number 27 out of 299. Rookie of Yoke Bell, Eagles. What up, Adam? And next pack. This is the second half of the box here. We have a Darren McFadden at a 250 for the Raiders. Just missed the eBay 1 of 1. It's number 2 out of 250. Chris Magaha for the Jags, rookie. Kyle Wilson for the Jets. So we did get 3 hits. No autographs yet. Just 2 jerseys and 1 patch card so far. So next hit should be an autograph. Mike Williams out of 100, Buccaneers. Maybe they gave us an extra hit. Darrell Washington for the Cardinals, not numbered. Some of these boxes have 5 hits in them. Base, Jerry Hughes for the Colts. That's numbered out of 100. And a rookie of Derek Morgan for the Titans. How many packs we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. 5 packs. And we hit a redemption. Valued collector. Let's see what they gave us. It's going to be a signature gold. Signature gold card number 167. And card number 167 will be Chris Ivory. Chris Ivory. Just make sure that's right. Yeah, Chris Ivory is card number 167. So let me write that down. And there it is. What are the golds? What are they, numbered out of 50? Michael Palmer for the Falcons rookie. All right, we got, what, 4 packs left, including this one. We have a Brandon LaFell for the Panthers and a Ricky Sapp for the Eagles. Golds out of 100. Thank you. Everson Griffin for the Vikings out of 250, and a Brandon Spikes rookie for the Patriots. 2 packs left. 2 packs left. In box 1. Rookie orientation of Des Bryant out of 250. That one's numbered 1 out of 250. 1 out of 250. And John Skelton, rookie. And final pack. Let's see if they gave us an extra hit or not. And they did. Got an extra hit. Valued collector. And this one is extra thick. It's going to be a patch auto. Rookie Gridiron Gems. Combo Prime. Signature card number 285. And 285. Let me just make sure this is right. Rookie Gridiron Gems signature. It's going to be Jonathan Dwyer. Jonathan Dwyer patch autograph. Jonathan Dwyer of the Steelers. Not a bad hit there. Alright, so we did get 2 redemptions, but we got 5 hits. Chris Ivory is a rookie of him. And that is it for box number 1. Jonathan Dwyer for the Steelers, rookie patch autograph. Chris Ivory, signature gold out of, they said, 100. Jordan Shipley jersey, patch of Steven Jackson, and jersey of Sam Bradford. That's box number 1. GSN Cards is out.